G'day viewers, this is Troy from Troy's Digital Arts channel. Here's my latest update on my Astor FP radio restoration. Okay, good news. The new speaker grill is now in place and it looks pretty good. Yeah, the glue pretty much set and it's sticking quite nicely to the frame, and it slipped in quite easily. I was expecting there to be a bit of problems slipping it in because I had a bit of a problem trying to get the damn thing out the frame, but no, it went in quite easily, and yeah, it's looking pretty good. Okay, so here's the rear side. The frame is sitting in place, and yeah, that's that part of the job done. So now all I can think of that's left to do with this radio is somehow try and polish up the backlight a bit. Don't know if I can do much about the scratches and all that. Like, I have to look up some videos on polishing backlight and find out a bit about it. Don't particularly, I had thoughts about trying to clean up the glass on the rear side, but I don't want to rub off the station identity and all that off the glass plate. So that'll be a disaster. So I'm going to leave it as is, at least for now. Yeah, but anyway, the backlight needs a bit of a clean up, and it'll look pretty good. Now to the radio. I mean, yeah, the radio is a working unit. Yeah, the dial works nicely now. Yep, volume works, speaker works, but if I turn it up too loud, it will distort. Probably because of my what I would call a hatchet job on trying to glue the speaker up. Yeah, I'm a beginner, so it's about the best I can do to my current ability. Anyhow, the radio's a working unit. Main thing I need to do now is fix up these old backlight knobs. Like, one of them works. One of them plugs in nicely into the variable pot, but these ones are not. I believe these have metal pieces inside which help secure these knobs to the pots and dials and all that. So I have to get those fixed up, and also I am missing a knob, so I'm going to have to find out about it. Okay, I've removed this. Yes, it does have like a metal plate thingy on the inside which secures the knob to the pot. These ones don't, so yeah, probably gonna have to cut some metal strip and slide it in there. It's a probable solution. Yeah, apart from that, once I've fixed up all that stuff, the radio restoration, I dare say, is complete. Anyhow, that's about it. Stay tuned for my next update. This is Troy from Troy's Digital Arts channel, signing out.